Hello all. In celebration of Old Fashioned Week, I'm going to be making a old fashioned every night, slightly different recipe. So tonight's going to be Elijah Craig, simple sugar, 2 forms of bitters, and Luxardo cherries. First thing is going to be an ice ball. So I keep these in the freezer in a bag so that I can grab them out. And we're going to start with having that warm up a little bit by getting that out, acclimated a little bit to room temperature. When I put it in the warm liquid, it won't crack right away. So depending on how long, the longer the better, but we'll see how this goes. So the first thing I like to do is just pour in my bitters so I can actually see how much goes in. So I'm going to be using 2 dashes of regular, and there's actually 2 in there. And sometimes you gotta love that, how it comes out of those bottles. And then this is going to be 1. So that one was Fee Brothers Cherry Bitters. And of course this was the Angostura for bitters. Next thing I'm going to use is my simple sugar. This is just a 1-to-1. So half sugar, half water. Oops, I already got this out. And I'm just going to use just a 1/2 ounce. And the reason I start with the simple sugar is because now that my measuring device is sugar coated, I want to dissolve that sugar and not waste it. So now I'm going to use 2 ounces of bourbon. And now for the cherry, and of course we love using these are basically candy. And I usually mix my spoon because the sugar in this coats that spoon. And I like to get all the sugar off my devices just because. That's good. So now, oh, that's right. I use that same spoon to dip in my ice cube, my ice ball, I should say, sphere. And then I mix it around to get it all coated so that it doesn't crack right away. Because what happens is, usually put it in and half of it sticks out, and that half stays colder than the other half, which is losing coldness or gaining heat rapidly. So that's where it cracks, because it's not melting, not getting warmed up equally. So do this for a little bit. Now normally I'd put an orange in. I would put an orange slice, half a slice in, muddle that. But I don't have any oranges, so we'll be doing that the rest of the week. This one is just going to be simple ingredients in one of my favorite classes. So happy Old Fashioned Week. That's good. So see you tomorrow. We'll be making another Old Fashioned, slightly different, in celebration of Old Fashioned Week. Bye-bye.